This is the 1936 Ford piston repair update. Well, we got her all back together. Kind of painted it up a little bit. Got a new scoop on the carburetor. Adds about half horsepower. And show you the other side here. Well, it's not very good lighting, but paint it with some original Ford green paint. And we'll give it a go and see if she starts. She's running all 8 cylinders now. Picked up some new radiator hoses from the CW Moss. Kind of dressed it up a little bit, painted some stuff. I'm going to paint this generator. And I relocated the coil, put it up here on the firewall. Ran the wires through the spark plug down to the distributor. Well, that's it. This was the reason why the car was only running on 7 cylinders. Had a broken piston in it. Could have been caused by maybe the rings weren't clearance correctly. That could break the piston. Didn't do any damage to the cylinder wall. So I bought a set off of eBay, a set of used pistons for 50 bucks. I honed it, put some rings in it. Got some rings from, got some new rings for it. Got this little ring grinder. Helps grind the, clearance the rings. It's better than filing it. And slapped it all back together. And it seems to be running okay. Got some new, gonna replace some of the exhaust manifold gaskets. They're leaking a little bit. Got a rebuild kit. I'm gonna go rebuild the carburetor and maybe play with the ignition a little bit. And that's about it.